Hello class, my name is Matthew Beyer and this is my screencast for using APIs on the server. What we had to do in this assignment was use the interface server-side scripts with external APIs on the internet, accept user input, make API calls and return a result, parse the JSON data on the server side, and what I'm doing right now, create the screencast. So the first part of this project was basically to use the Open Weather API and to gather the information. From there we have to display the current temperature, current humidity, current weather conditions, wind speed, and direction. So if we go over here to brackets, which is what I'm using, I have my weather API outline. So I'm going to demonstrate the functionality. For some reason this is jumped in line here, but that's alright. Demonstrate the functionality that we can enter a city or town and then we will get the conditions. The design I just used a simple bootstrap, simple but effective. I styled it a little bit, not much. We're going to put the user input and then we're going to submit that and then we'll get back the decoded JSON. Here we go. So as you can see, simple site. I'm the world's greatest weatherman. And we will type in where I live right now, San Pedro La Laguna, Guatemala. As you can see, we have a few clouds. The temperature is 24.46 Celsius. We use Celsius down here. Humidity 49%. That's how come the weather's so nice. And we have a southwest wind at 11.16 kilometers an hour. It's kind of windy. If you want to go to where the school's at, we can throw in Orlando. You guys are having scattered clouds. It's really hot. The same humidity, which is pretty nice. And northerly winds at 7.92 kilometers. So as you can see, all that works. If you want to take a look at the code and see what it's doing, we can go over here to the weather.php. This is a function I created so I could get the directions. Right here is where we're getting the information. So we're entering the city. They're gathering that information and then we're going to decode it right here. From there, we will go down and you will see how it's displayed. So right here is how the weather's getting displayed. I had to convert to Celsius, so that's why that's there. For the most part, that's that. Functions well. It was a fun assignment. What I believe I've learned was like the JSON and XML. Like I haven't worked with that really at all. Very little JSON. We did a little bit of JSON stuff in some earlier classes, but that was without a doubt what I learned the most on. And I can see how that would be really useful with so many APIs out there. I just think that without a doubt is the thing that I am gonna continue to learn more about and use in the future. I hope you like my presentation, and best of luck to you all.